Hello world, mates, wives, friends, family, and all you bloody sticky bees. Operated in the Murray-Darling River system. This bridge opened in May 1883. The Northern Bourke Bridge is also the oldest movable span bridge. The bridge remained in service for 114 years before being bypassed.
Shopping car parks are fenced. Right. Away. Will Mitchell. Oh, look, the kangaroos near him. Look. Oh, they're off. Hoppity, 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 hoppity.
You bloody aerial in the way.
Hoppity, hoppity, hoppity.
That's the thing I got in.
Watching his mates now. That was exciting, man.
Yeah, very. Emus and kangaroos.
We're on the road between Bourke and Louth, we are. We're on the way to Tilpa. Oh, reduce speed to 50. That's what we've been doing for the last hour.
It took
Check out the sun.
6 hours to get you.
Check out the sun.
Doesn't
Cricket.
it? Is it?
That's a lot of cricket. Wow. Oh, look at the Commodores down here. Oh, shit. And rusting them old babies. Louth first toppers. Lining. What's it around to? 30. No, yeah. Shindy Inn.
Even.
Road closed to overrun further inquiries. What? That's how the road was closed.
Yep. It did. Oh, there's some sheep.
That's been interesting. I should go back and read that.
I think it's
Oh.
like green.
Oh, my neck like a bomb.
Oh,
Wee.
I think it said rain birds by council. Sheep think you're jumping out of them. I'll get a picture while we're here.
Bah.
We haven't got any of sheep yet.
There's some Louth sheep. What's a Louth sheep? It's sheep that live near Louth.
They're all off.
All racing. All racing. All racing.
Apparently I've got some.
The sign's probably fallen down. You said it shouldn't be shut, but she said just go the other way. She said it's the same distance. So I thought it was just a,
What she mean the sign's probably fallen down?
well, closed up, see? Locked up.
What?
Blocked up, like, fold the sign up.
Yeah.
So she said it's falling down.
No, I still don't understand that. Because if it's locked down, it's the sign's
Now
up.
it's falling down. Sign post is up. A lot of those signs, you fold them back on themselves,
Yeah.
so you can't
But
read them.
wasn't it up like that?
Yeah, so the bottom half is falling down. Can you take a couple photos for me, please, Mark? Look, there's a. Oh, darling.
Cottage and huts, isn't it? Why are they all closed? Cottage and huts, isn't it? Why are they all closed?
Uh-oh, what's going on here?
It's like actual.
Mine. Why? Cobar via Tilpa. Wandering via Tonga. We want to go to Tonga?
No, not tonight. I'm talking about.
He's saying, right, open the pub up. They've got a customer coming.
I'll get you back.
Isn't the pub?
Is that all
That's
that's
probably
here?
the drive-through.
Is that all that's here?
No, I'm pretty sure there's a house.
What
One, two.
house? What's the public?
I've never been here before, mate. That's a big question. You'll have to wait.
Not really. That's what you got for me. I'm asking too many questions.
Holy crap, it's bitumen.
About wine. We're in the town.
Tilpa. Village on the floodplain.
Driving into Tilpa, we're fully excited, looking to see great things.
Okay.
Have that.
Lovely.
Royal Flying Doctor Service. Richard.
There's a pub over here. Is it? Something on the roof.
Pub shut. No customer. Go to bed, everyone.
Pulled into the main street, pub was shut, that we've heard so much about.
I thought the lights would be on and everything. Where are we parking?
Wait, well, it looks good.
This is the roundabout. That's the problem. We'll park on the edge of the roundabout.
We're not on the Oh, must have got service again.
We did. find anywhere there, so we turned around and went back out the way we came in. Just keep moving this way. What road's closed? Couldn't find anything that way. So it is closed. Tilpa to Tonga road's closed. Huh? That's interesting. Huh?
Oh, I see your wheel. You're right.
Could see signs to the cemetery. Didn't want to really park in the dead centre of town. So we turned around, went back into town. Across the river, over the bridge.
I think so.
That would have gone across the river. Water, anything on there. We'll go to bed.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
There's only freaking two right?
Oh no. I think. Crossroads. Volcania. Land, Bourke. Willy Wag Lodge. Good hotel accommodation. Seal Road arrived in condition. Closed when went.
They're all on sale. Shoulder closed.
Sorry?
Shoulder is closed.
No lights. No one's home. No one walking out saying, "Hey, you going, buddy?"
What, you want to be met by the mayor or something?
The mayor of Tilpa.
Going away. Go up to the cemetery and see what they don't know.
Tilpa, village of the floodplains. There's that big cow and sheep again.
Yeah, I saw it back at the last grid we went through.
Oh, look, there's lights on the back of that building over there.
It is a
This is a deep. Volcania, that way.
Is this a house or a shop? Shop house village. You're the Royal Flying Doctor Service.
Yeah, imagine that. We're waking up tonight, plane landing.
On top of it.
We arrived at Tilpa the other night. We drove around for ages, trying to find somewhere to stay. We pulled up to the side of the Royal Flying Doctor Service building. The lady that told us to move on, we weren't allowed to be there, pointed out that there was a red and white sign on the front walkway. Red's probably one of the first colours to disappear in the dark, and as you can see by the photos, under the lights of the car even, it wasn't visible. Woke me up at 6:30 this morning, whinging. Needed to go for a stroll. So yeah, we're off on our walk this morning. Lady's leading the way. She knows where she's going. Nola tries to push her off course, and she's always in a hurry to get where she's going. Nobody knows where that is, by the way. The reason we don't park under gum trees is because of this. The branches keep falling on the blooming ground. On the blooming ground they do. Over here. And over here, bloody things just fall down anywhere. We came down here a couple of nights ago. It's been quite pleasant. So the weir on the Darling, we're not sure how far you can fish above or below it. Needed fishing licence, not that that was too hard. You could get that online. Haven't really bothered getting the boat off to put it in the water. A bit of an issue, I think, getting it down the bank anywhere anyway. There is a boat ramp at Tilpa on the other side of the weir, downstream from where we are. But yeah, so just have a bit of a look around and checking out the scenery. Just got to keep an eye out for these things swimming around in the water down here. Just amazing how many of these fellas are actually swimming around in the river. The carp, you can see movement in the water just there. There's a couple more just swimming around here underneath the water's edge, you can see. But yeah, if you walk along the bank here, they are just spread along this bank everywhere. There's a couple just there below the water level, just to the edge there in front of us. Broke the surface. Yeah, don't know what you do with them, but there's plenty of them.
Of May 1972. There you go. That's an old plaque. Rubbish bin. Couple of rubbish bins. Big pink area's seen better days. See what that is. Looks like a barbecue of some sort. Substantial, isn't it? Concreted in to the ground there. It's the home of homes. Oh, Mister's got to get back to Mum. Hey, check up on her. Yeah.
Fact, info. The village of Tilpa grew at the junction of the Peru and Bourke roads, a crossing place for stock. The road junction eventually became the site for a telegraph office, and a pub. The pub later boasting menu items that included goat and glar. Asked for credit, you'll be pointed to the plaque on the wall, which should significantly deter you from continuing with your inquiries. And you might like to know, if you donate $5 to the Royal Flying Doctor Service in the Tilpa pub, you can actually write your name on the wall. And we did. Did you hear about the soap stealing robber? He decided to become clean. What kind of witch goes to the beach? You don't know? A sandwich. That's enough for today. Have a good one.